Hello everyone, welcome to our class. Yes, I hope you all are good and you are doing good. Okay, so as I know, as you have as you have eaten like chola bhatura, pakoras, and jalebis. Okay, so if you have not eaten these things, then you can try. Okay, and take the taste of that chola bhatura and pakoda and jalebi. Okay, so now you have to tell me. I will show you one now you have to tell me what is the main ingredient used in the kitchen for making tasty and crispy things. Like this is the pakoda is the tasty and jalebi is the also tasty. This chola bhatura is also tasty. What which type of ingredient we use to make this crispy? Okay, so and what is it something added for faster cooking? Okay, so now you have to tell me, you have to watch the activity in your book and you have to tell your observation. Okay, so what will be the observation here? So as we see that we are using baking soda to make the that tasty. Okay, so like the first of all we will come to know that pH value of baking soda. So here pH value of baking soda will be the 9. It will be above 7. Okay, so now tell me what is it's acidic basic natural salt, and do you that what is the chemical formula for this salt? What will the chemical formula for this salt? Okay, so you have to tell me that. Okay, so now we will discuss about chemicals from common salt like baking soda. So today's our topic will be chemical salt from common salt and baking soda. Like, okay, so this is our topic. So now you have to explain this chemical from common salt like baking soda in your own word. So okay, so here, so let's here come to the explanation part. Now we will I will explain you the preparation of baking soda. First of all, the chemical name of baking soda is sodium hydrogen carbonate, like NaSCO3. Okay, this is the sodium hydrogen carbonate. Okay, so or sodium biocarbonate, we can say sodium biocarbonate. And in bread soda, cooking soda, bicarbonate of soda, like sodium bicarb, bicarb of soda, or simply bicarb, etc., are some other names of baking soda. These are the other names of baking soda. Okay, so like here I can write bread soda, cooking soda. So these are the other name of baking soda. Okay, so here we will come to know the preparation method. Okay, so for preparation method, baking soda is obtained by the reaction of brine with carbon dioxide and ammonia. Okay, so here we will see the okay, so here we will see the baking soda reaction. Okay, so first NaCl Aq plus NH3 G plus CO2 G plus H2O. Okay, H2I. Okay, its reactant like NaCa. Okay, NaSCO3 plus NH4ClAq. So this will be the equation over here. Okay, so moving further, like sodium bicarbonate is white crystalline solid, but it's appear as fine powder. Okay, so now like it is a mild non-corrosive basic salt. Like the following reaction take place when it is heated during cooking. Okay, so like here we can see baking soda. As all we have seen the baking soda. Okay, if you have not seen, then you can see in shop, you can buy from the shop, and you can see that baking soda, or you can see in chemistry lab also. Like, okay, so it is a milk non-corrosive basic salt. Like, the following reaction take place when it is heated during cooking. Okay, when baking soda is heated, it decomposes into sodium carbonate, carbon dioxide, and water. So for that, the equation will be the 2NaSCO3 plus heat, it's react Na2CO3 plus CO2 plus S2O. See, this will be the equation. Okay, now here we will come to the here we will come to know preparation of baking soda. So here, how what is the step of preparation of baking soda. So first of all, baking uh, okay, so first of all, we will come to know, like, enlist the uses of baking soda in our day to day life. Like, we have seen that making cakes, and we whiteness of teeth, and soda acid, fire execution for fire, we are using in our daily day to day life. Okay, so these are the examples which we use in our day to day life. Okay, so now you have to tell me the formula of baking soda is. What will the formula of baking soda? So here we know that the formula of baking soda will be the NaSCO3. So the third option will be the correct answer. Okay, so moving further. Okay, so moving further, we will come to know the okay, so moving further, we will come to know the, like, you have to identify the images. Like, we have seen cookies, we have eaten also the cookies. Okay, so now you have to construct the meaning. Like, we have to construct, like, we have seen different types of cookies. Okay, and some are like, some are look like black, some white. So why they are? Okay, so what are the reason in between these cookies? Okay, what do you relate between these cookies? Like, why some are white and some are brownish color and white? So, do all the salt contain the same raw material? Okay, so here we will come to know the preparation of baking soda, how we make make the this baking soda. Okay, so here please define this. So here please, anyone define this preparation of baking soda. Like, baking powder produce carbon dioxide on heating, so it is used in cooking to make the batter spongy. Like, baking soda is the mixture of baking soda and a mild elidable acid, and generally tartaric acid is mixed with baking soda to make baking powder. Okay, so when baking powder is heated, sodium hydrogen carbonate NaSCO3 decompose to give CO2, and sodium carbonate Na2CO3. CO2 causes bread and cake fluffy. Tartaric acid help to remove bitter taste due to formation of NaCO3. Okay, so I hope everyone is clear. Like, we have seen the baking soda in our homes also. Okay, so now we now I will tell you, like, there are the, like, there are the examples you can relate to this topic. Like, we use cookies. They look like different side. Like, some are made of only baking powder, some are made of baking soda only. So some are made of baking powder and soda both, and some of are no leaveners. In, like, that in that cookies there is no soda and there is no baking powder. Okay, so like that. Okay, so I am having one statement for you. Now you have to tell me, is it a statement is true or false. Like, baking powder is the mixture of baking soda and a milk elidable acid. Is it true or false? So I hope this everyone know. So it will be the true statement. Okay, so moving further. Okay, so moving further, as we have seen, like we have seen in our TV the advertisement of washing soda. Okay, so what do you relate? Like express the view after watching the baking soda or washing machine. What do you relate to that watching that baking soda and that washing machine? Okay, so is this salt obtained from sodium chloride, and what is the purpose of aerial product? What this aerial product do? What is the purpose of this aerial product? So okay, so now we will come to know the preparation of washing soda. So now you tell me, define the preparation of washing soda. So here we will come to know the definition of preparation of washing soda. So first of all, we have to know about the formula. Like we use this formula, Na2CO3 10 H2O, like hydrate sodium carbonate. Hydrate sodium carbonate. Okay, this formula we have used. Okay, so after that, sodium carbonate can be obtained by heating baking soda. Recrystallization of sodium carbonate gives washing soda. It is also a basic salt. So like Na2CO3 plus 10H2O react Na2CO3 into 10H2O. Okay, so this will be the sodium carbonate. I hope everyone is clear. Okay, so now now the sodium carbonate obtained is the process is dry, and it is called soda as or hydrous sodium carbonate. Okay, since there are 10 water molecules in washing soda, hence it is known as sodium bicarbonate dehydrate. Okay, so like washing soda, the formula will be the Na2CO3 10H2O. So this will be the formula of this washing soda. Okay, so I hope everyone is clear. So move further. Moving further, so you have to enlist the uses of washing soda in our day to day life. Yes, as we use this washing soda in our daily life, like we use soap, like paper industry, and like glass, and we use to wash our clothes, and these are the examples we use in our daily lives. Okay, so very good. So now I have one question for you, like washing soda is the common name for what? Washing soda is the common name for, so here it will be the sodium carbonate dehydrate. The answer will be the sodium carbonate dehydrate. So this will be the answer here. Okay, so I hope everyone is clear till now. Okay, so moving further. Okay, so this will be the correct answer. Okay, so let's recall our 2 days class, what we have studied in our 2 days class and what we have learned. Like we have learned chemical from common salt, baking soda, baking powder, and washing soda. Now let's summarize today's class. Like we have discussed about the chemical name of baking soda is sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate. Okay, so after that we have discussed about baking powder produce carbon dioxide carbon dioxide on heating, so it is used in cooking to make the batter spongy. Okay, so the sodium carbonate obtained in the process is dry, it is called soda ash or anhydrous sodium carbonate. Since there are 10 water molecules in washing soda, and hence is known as sodium bicarbonate dihydrate. We have talked about real life examples and types of salt. Okay, so here next I have homework for you. You have to analyze upon the types of salt preparation and search out more example related with kinds of salt in our space, and note down the following in the table, like name of salt, chemical formula and preparation and reaction involved in that. Okay, so uses in day to day life. Okay, so the second question is that a milkman adds a very small amount of baking soda to fresh milk. Okay, and why does he shift the pH of the fresh milk from 6 to slightly alkaline? You have to find out that. And after that, why does this milk take a long time to set a curd? Set as a curd. Okay, write an analysis report in your own word. You have to write down the analysis report in your own word. So last, I have one activity for you. Material required in this activity is laptop, mobile phone, good internet connection, and PHET platform. And the instruction is that open the PHET platform and in any device and analyze the pH value of the given salt in the book. Write down their observation from each of the activity in the table. Like the table is given over there: salt, pH value, nature, and concentration value, and the remarks. So I hope everyone have written this homework in their own copy. Okay, so please do it carefully, and please come tomorrow by doing this homework, and we will check and we will clear the doubts of yours. Okay, so I hope everyone will do this homework. Okay, so let's stop our class today, and we will meet in next class. I hope everyone will be fine and everyone will do very good. Okay, so bye, take care everyone, and thank you everyone. Okay, so see you soon, see you tomorrow. Okay.